Take this lock button off. Just use a trim tool, get underneath it behind here. Pop that out. There's a clip. Take this trim piece off, use a trim tool, just get underneath here and pop it out. Just slide it over the handle, just like that. It's clipped in. You can try to disconnect the connector afterwards. You don't necessarily have to take this off now, but if you want to, take a trim tool, get underneath here, slide this up. There's clips that hold that on, and disconnect the connector. Just like that. There's a screw right here. Use a 7mm socket. Take that screw out. You can use a magnet. Take that one out. And there's another screw down here. Use the same 7mm socket. Take that one out. And grab the door panel. Slide it up and out. Disconnect this light right here. Just grab the socket and slide it out. Now remove this lock rod from the handle. Just take a screwdriver, get behind here. Slide that out. Just like that. Take the vapor barrier back. And remove this lock rod right here. Just like that. Disconnect the connector right here. Just pull on the handle. And if you can reach the other one, disconnect that one as well. Slide those out of the way. Disconnect the handle rod that goes to the outside handle. You can take a screwdriver or a pick, just get underneath. It's kind of like a door, it's going to open. There we go. It opens just like that. And then slide the rod out. And remove these bolts. Use a T30 socket. Now grab the latch from the inside and slide it out. Now use a T10 driver or socket and take these two bolts out at the top, or screws, this one and this one. Then just slide this off and take it off right here as well, just like that. Now take the new one. If you have to move this wheel, just move it. You want it to line up with this. And that looks good. And line this up. And put the screws back in. Make sure they're lined up. Now take the latch and slide it in position. And get these screws started, or bolts. Tighten them down. And make sure they're snug. And connect the connectors. This one's going to go on top. And lock it in place, and then connect the lower one. Now take the rod that goes to the outside door handle, line that into the fastener. push it in, and then close that door. Make sure it locks. Now take this lock rod, slide this in position, latch it back in place, and slide the other rod through the vapor barrier, and reposition the vapor barrier, and install the rod. And lock it down. Now take the door panel and put this light socket into the light assembly and just lock it in place. And if you have to connect that window switch, you can do that now if you didn't take it out, or just run the wires through here. And slide the door in position. And slide it down. Make sure it's all the way in. And install the screw down here. And the one that goes under the handle. And take the window switch, lock that in place, and press that down. Take the lock cover, slide the lock rod in the unlock position, and lock it down. Double check, make sure it works. Take this trim piece. This is going to slide down first, and then lock it in.